pesos. Okay, how much? How much is it? Will you give it something? 550, and it's out of 550, and it's out of 550, and it's out of 550.
Hindi ba yung nag-pre-order?
Medyo, alam ko nga eh, yung type season, so, syempre, tingnan na anak.
Hihirit pa yung isa. Next year, din ano, mga June.
And it's out of 300.
Yun, tapos na rin yung art pie niya. Minimum pieces lang yun, sir. Yan na lang yung nagtirang stock.
Congratulations, sir. So, this is for Alabuno bag. So, wala kayong sasabi. Next item muna lang, parang this. Starting with natin for, may galit eh. 400, and it's out of 400, 500, we got 500, and it's out of 600, we got 10 pesos. Chicken, we got chicken, nice cake. Thanks to chicken from 100, 500, and it's out of 100, and it's out of 100, and it's out of from BTS. This is a plushie, guys. This is a plushie. Currently at 200, and it's out of 200, and it's out of 200, 200, we got 300, and it's out of 300, and it's out of 300, and it's out of 300, and it's 300. He's your hope, he's my hope, he's J-Hope. Ayan. Kaya ako nakakit sa BTS dati. Sumayaw pa naman ng ice. Hindi na ako sulit sa flash era nila. Kasi naman medyo angsty mo nila. I need you, Dope, and Fire. Tapos kung medyo nag-butter era na sila, medyo tumigil na ako. But still, they are very, very good artists too. So, I hope every army right here still supports BTS. No? Sana ipagpatuloy niyo yung fandom niyo. Just like how nakakita, may video siya na na-appreciate. Nilipit na 200 dito. Nakakabal ba? 250, we got 250, and it's our 250, and it's our 300. Guys, you can Google this one. You can Google this if you want. So, you can Google Lensing. Pakinggan, 400 going once, may 400 dito, 400 going twice, papalagan ba natin? Let's go, 450, and sold for 400. I encourage everyone to use Google Lens. Again, we have technology already. Well, we have other Apple tech naman. Hindi na ako familiar, no? No me. I'm just 700, 700, then it's 700, then it's 700. Parang sakit eh. Parang lalagdan eh. Alam mo gusto niya eh. Nag-beat siya eh. Pero pag gumawa niya na, 1 game. 50 pesos na, 50 pesos. 300. Awit. 600. 200, then it's 200. 200 going once. 200 going twice. Going and sold for 200. Up next, you got Haruhi Suzumiya.
Hamburger.
So, guys, I want to use you. Anyway, currently Haruhi Suzumiya figure starting with at 300. Shizuru Nakatsu. 450 going once, 450 going twice,
Ikot-ikot po si Tiger.
sold for 450. There we go. Up next, ako, ito, mukhang papalag kayo. Okay, sigawan kayo. Nagkala, boss. 200, we got 200. 300, we got. What about 300? 300, and if it's at 800, we got 800, and if it's at 800, and if it's at okay guys, so kung naririnig nyo ako right now, I'm very fast when doing the auctions. But again, we have 100 starting bid for, well, it's a Lego, so pwede medyo excusable siya. Currently, parang si Optimum Pride to, Optimum Pride to. Nadali na lang muna ko dun eh. 700, and if it's at 700, and if it's at 700, babawi ba kuya? And I think we will still be having an auction later. So meron lang tayong uunahin kasi again, so please stick around. Kaya wait lang. Tatanungin ko kayo lahat, gusto nyo ba ng libreng power bank? Gusto nyo ng libreng power bank? Eh, huwag na natin patagalin. Alam mo yung kanang yan?
On a power bank MagSafe by Converge. Picture tayo dito, sir. Thank you so knows the answer, please come up the stage. You will win a MagSafe power bank. Oo, pwede kayo, masagot mo, why not? The two final teams battling for grand finals today at M6. Hello.
Thank you.
There you go. Any message to Toy Con? Sobrang saya. Ayun. Ayun na kayo. Ayun, mabilis. Alright, thank you so much. Last question. the fastest to win an Asus Gaming keyboard and an Asus Gaming this 2024. So it dominates the Ookla Speakness Awards and wins 4 major awards. It's powered by Asus. So yun, it also has high prioritization. It means of all the applications you have, it will always prioritize this. Next slide. Ito, we're not gonna dwell on this, but next mo lang. Yeah, there are 54% of the female compared to 6 of male. So 48 million the gamers in the Philippines. So hindi natin muna naman yung Super Marco. AP Brand is our main influence and legendary. Next slide. It's AP Brand. It's 1 gig or 1,000. Alright, next slide. Nationwide, we focus on simple, fast, reliable, and flexible. We prioritize ready. Bigyan na natin sa that's more than I think it's a give its answer, or I think this is more like what do you call this? Show. Ay, sir, dapat ano, go fiber na. We will accept that as correct. Maraming salamat sa mga okay pa kayo dyan. Anak! Gawan, ready? OPH. Babayaran.
Sinuhan naman lumabas ng ano mundo. Kaya lang pumunta doon, can you lose?
Such as mobile phones, laptops, bags, and wallet warmer. Thank you. Mga bilang mangyari bilang ang ingatan ng application ng mobile phones.
Kung magbibenta ng tigaan niya, kung lugi ka.
Hindi, ang lugi kayo mag-bayad ka ng pwede.
Yan, lungat mo. Mas lapit mo sa akin.
Nakikita kasi
Dragon Ball.
Yeah.
Yung Mega Man, magkano? Sige. Nandiyan din siya.
Sige.
Sabi ng tinuturo, magkano yung 14 passer?
Maisip.
Nakita ko malala yung wala sa utak. Nung lumapit, biglang bumalik ko sa mark. Biglang marker na yung tinanong.
Hindi maganda kasi ginuwa yan eh. Siyempre, hindi mass produce ng Hunter X eh.
Chiki!
Hello po, meron po kayong Little Mermaid.
Sige, sir.
Kaya nga ito yung picture.
Yan sa comedy movie.
Hinihiban ko ba?
Jefferson.
Kaya,
Kumanda kayo, hindi ko magaganito eh. Kasi naman yung napunod.
yan ka lang. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Kailangan may pagbawi man lang sa pag-entra.
Sorry, sir.
Naghanap pa ako ng mas
Uy, paturo.
garbage.
Pilipinig, hinang at mangyari lamang hinasal na aking mga
mga ano pa para mamaya pag lalabas ka, down payment mo lang ako ng 3,000.
Sige, sir.
Because if you're not here, that's okay. We will contact you. Ilaga! What the? Po, banata mo muna to. One more lightsaber. Oh my God. So lucky. Ito kitang-kita yung pangalan. Kontakin ka na lang po namin for your lightsaber. But now, it's for the legendary beast statue. Sana nandito yung mananalo. Pero sige, sa ating raffle. Galing mo, kuya. Auction. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay, wala na tayong auction. I think that is the last part of our program.
Miss Noela Alegre Fernando. Miss Noela Alegre Fernando, please proceed to Hall 1 Secretariat. Thank you.
Hintay na pa ba ng Christmas?
Bili na ako. Ang ganda marami upuan doon.
Sige.
450. 450.
Hindi ka happy na lang tumingin ng ganyan.
Mahal yun, sir. Yung mismo. Ay, matagal na, sir.
Sige, anong battery?
Ay, wow!
Thank you so much and have a great